Hello, this is an explanation video for Thursday, October 29th. You want to scroll down to here, day 4, October 29th. Let's start with the sync. So this will be our joint class with the other level 6 students. So please pay close attention to the new Zoom code for today. So what we're going to do today, we'll discuss evidence and do some breakout groups where we read some text and look for the types of evidence. And then we'll do our Spark groups. So here we have information about evidence. So we will review this information in class before we start our activity. Then here are the different paragraphs we will review in groups. Okay, so there's 8 different groups. Each group has their own paragraph. This one here at the bottom is for people who finish early. Okay, so if you finish your group activity and then you still have extra time, then your instructor will have you come down here to work on this article. Okay, so that is the sync session. Then async for this day is here. The first one is a cover letter activity. And the way it works, we give you a preview. You're going to read this example cover letter, okay? And any place that is highlighted is where you have to find an answer. So if the verb is highlighted, that means you have to conjugate the verb into the present perfect tense. If you see for or since highlighted, that means you have to decide which one fits there, for or since. Okay, so this is how it looks. So here, for example, we have work. That means you have to conjugate work into the present perfect continuous. Here we have for or since. So you have to decide, do we want for or since? So here, work, this is the first one. So you come down here in blank number 1 and write your answer. This is fill in the blank. So you have to make sure to watch your spelling and make sure to have the right number of spaces. So 1 space in between every word. Otherwise, the computer will think it's a mistake. Okay, so there's a total of 8 examples here that you have to write the answer for. Coming back to the async folder, this is another activity for author's purpose. So here we give you some different texts, and for each text you have to decide what is the author's purpose. So you read the text and then you decide A, B, or C, persuade, inform, or entertain. Same thing here, read the text and decide, persuade, inform, or entertain. There's a total of 5 texts. For each one, it's multiple choice, and you decide if it's persuade, inform, or entertain. And that is the last activity for today for the async. So be sure to join us for the Zoom session with the other level 6 classes and to pay attention to the Zoom code information. Thanks and good luck.